Good evening, everyone. Today is my 55 day of improving my public speaking skills. Today is Friday and as usual, wala man sang may natabo gid aside sa we have a seminar session kagina through online kag physical. Through online kag physical. Kay kagina nga daan, we have this webinar or anong tawag sining workshop wherein we talk about pertaining or in relation sa isa ka global synergy on how we will establish the engineering and business tapos public administration for sustainable development, etc. And we learned a lot about that. We talk about sa AI, mga pros and cons, etc. Kag honestly, kagina, wala ako masyado nakapamati. Tapos, ang nag-online na, wala man ko naka-attend. It is because ang akon nga cellphone. Although, nag-download na ko sang Zoom para maka-join ako. But then, may bisyo kay hindi ako ka-sign in sa ako niya email account. Tapos may time man nga naka-join ako sa meeting, ara na ako sa sulod, naka-approve na, but then gumulpi na lang back out bala, etc. So amo na ang mga nagiging struggles ko kagina to the point nga I decided na lang nga hindi na lang mag-attend. But thankfully ang akon nga classmates or friends, they took and screenshot man towards sa mga nagiging presentation sa mga host or speaker sa sina nga webinar. Tapos, ang ako himuon na lang, since we have this activity sa isa namon ka subject wherein kinanglan namon mag-obra sang reaction paper through AC form, ako himuon is gamiton ko na lang to ang mga information sa mga screenshot. Tapos, i-evaluate ko siya, i-summarize, and i-put ko siya in my own words and understanding, and then isulat. Muna lang na ako magiging goal. And then after that, I also have few tasks nga need ubrahon, kag plano kong tapuson siya sa buong gabi. Kay para pagkabuas sang gabi, Sabado nga daan buwas malaban na lang ako, tapos planuhan ko to akong mention nga akong himuon sa intrams. Since isa lang ko nga daan ang magiging reportorial staff, I need to be informed sa mga rooms nga kung sa diin held ang mga games and activities, and also sa mga areas kung rooms and areas kung ang para naman sa mga outdoors activities. Okay, we have these two types of games or anong tawag ba games ba yung tawag? Wherein it is indoors kag outdoors, kag may ara kami visual, music, sports, etc. Gani kinanglan kung makagather as much as information as possible para man maobra ko masamayo ako ng obligasyon kag wala ko struggles. I mean less lang akong struggles kay kubudlay nga daan ko isa lang gid kayo boss. Tapos honestly amo na siya ang pinaka first time ko nga task as a reportorial staff wherein magather ba information kay usually nga daan sa to throughout sang first year to second year, I am a creative and ang layout artist ako. Layout artist lang ko wherein kung mag-intrams tiya ako nabrahon lang. Ang ginahatag nga task akon is to create and layout or designs para sa magiging posting namon. But in subong, since I decided nga mag-change into in relation sa writing, kaya ang purpose nga daan ko naman nag-change ko from layout artist to reportorial staff is to write, but then siguro diri lang ko gimbutang danay sa reportorial staff kay it has a possibility nga ma-promote man ko into a writer or feature writer, etc. Gani, I'll just do my best lanay and to gain experience naman. That's all for my personal life. And the quote, or hindi galit quote, and the argument of the data subong is manumdum ko ani. Okay, on the spot lang ni sa honestly. It is about work smart. Ano ganyan tawag sila? Hindi lang din. Okay, nakuha ko ng tamang word. It is all about work smart, not harder. This kind of concept is mostly applied kag nababatian ko man ni siya throughout sa akong pagiging estudyante. Kay working smart, not trying harder means when you are doing something, for example, you're creating a task or a project, instead of working hard or going in a difficult way to actually create your task in a more hard way bala. For example, ma-research ka pa, sa isahon mo pa pangita ang mga informasyon throughout sa mga different kinds of media platforms, manual editing ka, etc. Tapos ma-create ka yung idea. That's the thing about a working hard. You put an effort, you put an time, etc. Kag dira mo gina-consume man ang imong mga oras through working hard. Now, working smart meaning you'll find ways to create an easy path wherein you're doing well. You're doing your task properly but not in a hard way. For example, instead of creating a new idea about your project or task, you just need to find a few examples sa Google, like mga images, tapos ilugon mo na siya, but not totally nga ilogid. It's just that you just need to have an idea kung paano na siya, ano bala ang mga recent designs ni may ara sa sina or in relation sa amo na nga project, etc. And then you will try to figure out on how you will going to create it in your own way. And then amo na, may idea ka na. Kag another thing pagid, instead of searching in a different media platforms wherein isa-isa ka pa sa isa ka mga pages or something like that, instead of doing that, you can just either AI or ano ba yung meaning sang AI, you can just either AI the information or use Google para mas mapadali. Kay as of now, the Google has been involving, they innovate an idea to include AI towards sa pag-research. Kag honestly, naging install na nila nga amo na feature, mas nagnami kag napadali ang pag-research nakon for in my own personal experience, and that's how we work hard. Kag honestly, gina-apply ko na siya towards sa mga assignments, group project, mga PPT, kung ako ang naka-assign nga mag-ubra. Kay hindi man ko tamad, is just that I want to work smart, not harder lang gid ya, para mas ma-conserve ko akong time, and also I will have the chance to create more and experiment more instead of ma-stuck lang ko bala sa planning palang level. Amo na ang nagiging